Well, hello everybody out there on the internet. This is RealmanPwns, and I just thought I'd show you my fixed up maters. There you go. And those over there, those didn't fall over, but I staked them anyway. And you see, tie tape to the branch and tie it to the other one on the other side. So either way it wants to go, it ain't going nowhere. Same here, I got all the tape holding these up. And don't worry, my big mater is still down here. Where you at? Look at that. That's your mama's duo. Look how big that is. That's huge. More maters. More maters. Maters everywhere. Maters down in there. Look. Maters. And when that one's got the... that's a little bad on that one, but this has been RealmanPwns with my maters.